So you've got a website. That's great. A website is like a salesperson for your business. A salesperson that never sleeps, doesn't take breaks, or need to take days off. Your website is like a salesperson that never fails to deliver exactly the message you tell it to deliver every single time. Your website could be your hardest working employee, and if you want to take advantage of the incredible amount of people that want to find businesses online before physically visiting them, you need to make sure people can find your website. How do people even find websites in the first place? Well, you may have heard of a little company called Google. Google is the undisputed leader in helping people find the websites that they want to find. So it might seem as simple as contacting Google and asking them to help you get found in searches, right? We could just call up Google and say, "Hey Google, when people are looking for the products I carry and they live in my city, send them my way." As simple as this method might sound, that's not how it works. You see, Google wants to give the most credible and hardworking businesses the right to dominate searches. And that means there's a list of things that Google wants to see before they present you to their searchers. You may have heard of keywords, and that's just one way that Google and other search engines determine what you do and how relevant you'll be to the people that are searching. Keywords are just one small part of successful search engine optimization. To be more successful, a good search engine optimization company will have relevant content created for your website, articles written for you that are about what you do, and posts to other websites on your behalf. A good search engine optimization campaign is honest, tells the truth about the products and services you provide, gives value to your searchers by providing relevant information, and focuses on several key areas to make sure you get found as often as possible online. If you're not an expert at SEO and you want to make sure your hardest working salesperson has the best chance to get seen by as many people as possible, you'll want to team up with a reliable SEO company that can take care of your online marketing for you. You'll want a search engine optimization company that provides Google with what Google wants. After all, 90% of people go to Google when they search online. You'll want an online marketing company that takes an honest approach to providing searchers the information that they're looking for. And you'll want to work with a company that's in the same country as you are and understands what it is to be Canadian. You'll want a company that can provide you with results and doesn't lock you into a contract. So you might have to keep paying for a service that just isn't working. Not all companies take the same approach, and the truth is that some companies are simply more successful than others at getting websites found online. Shop in Canada has been helping local businesses get found online for over 14 years. We take an honest approach to getting your business found online. So if you're tired of getting fed a bunch of technical jargon and you're ready to get honest results online, call us. And let's start with a good old-fashioned phone call so we can communicate more effectively about what direction you want to take your business in. Call us toll-free, 1-877-644-7467, and ask for an SEO expert. Just call us, because you can't say as much in an email or a text message, and we want to start our relationship off with effective communication. 1-877-644-7467. Don't just have a website, have it found.